Have you ever wondered why some outdoor products crack, fade, or break after just a few years, while others continue performing for decades? The answer often comes down to one thing: the material. Today, we're taking a closer look at polyethylene and why it has become one of the most trusted materials for outdoor products around the world. Polyethylene is a durable thermoplastic material widely used in industries ranging from marine infrastructure and water storage to playground equipment and industrial applications. Its unique properties make it ideal for products that need to withstand constant exposure to outdoor environments. One of the biggest challenges for outdoor products is prolonged exposure to sunlight. Over time, ultraviolet rays can cause many materials to become brittle, discolor, or lose their strength. Polyethylene is specifically engineered with UV stabilizers that help protect the material from sun damage and extend its lifespan. Outdoor products are constantly exposed to impacts, heavy loads, and daily wear and tear. Unlike some rigid materials that crack under pressure, polyethylene offers excellent impact resistance. Its flexibility allows it to absorb shocks without breaking. Outdoor environments often involve water, humidity, chemicals, and salt exposure. Unlike metal products that can rust or corrode over time, polyethylene naturally resists moisture and corrosion, making it a reliable choice for marine and industrial applications. Maintenance costs can add up over time. Because polyethylene is resistant to weather, moisture, and corrosion, it requires minimal maintenance throughout its service life. That means lower operational costs and fewer replacements. At Indoplasko, we choose high-quality polyethylene because we believe our customers deserve products that are durable, reliable, and built to last. Combined with our advanced rotomolding manufacturing process, polyethylene allows us to produce products that perform consistently in demanding outdoor environments. Whether it's a floating dock, septic tank, industrial component, or custom solution, material selection plays a crucial role in product performance. And when it comes to outdoor durability, polyethylene continues to be one of the smartest choices available. To learn more about Indoplasko's products and manufacturing capabilities, visit our website or contact our team today.